This breakfast taquito is a low carb, high protein recipe that is perfect for weight loss, and it will keep you fueled and energized for hours. And it is perfect for grab and go and for meal prep. Hello, everyone. I'm Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen where I am making healthier versions of the foods that we love. And one of the things that I have to tell you, when you get a crazy, hectic schedule, one of the most important meals of the day that we have a tendency to forget all about is breakfast. But today's recipe, flavor-packed, high protein, low carb, super simple to make, really basic, but oh so delicious, you guys. You will never skip breakfast again. And everything that you need to put it together is up there on screen, so gather everything up and I will show you how to make the most delicious breakfast taquito coming up next. Now you can opt to make this a meatless recipe, but I'm going to boost up the protein and also it's going to make for a more filling meal by adding in some canned chicken breast. Now what I've done is I've already rinsed this chicken breast just to get that candy flavor out of it. I shredded it and it is sitting over here, okay, waiting for its turn to go into my recipe. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and crack my eggs. And of course, to lower the fat content, but keep the protein level, you can opt to use one whole egg and one egg white. And go ahead and whisk. Let's set this aside, and up next we are going to prep my low carb tortilla shells. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to boost the flavor of this breakfast taquito, I'm gonna spread some picante sauce, each one of these shells. And I love this because it has the chunks of the green peppers and the onions as well. And this is going to definitely enhance the flavor of this recipe. Okay, that looks good. Let's set this aside. And one other thing that I just want to do with these eggs, I want to go ahead and add a seasoning of choice. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and some Trader Joe's 21 season salute. Absolutely love this stuff, you guys. It's got, let's see what it has. It has onion, spices, black pepper, celery seed, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, margarine, bay leaf, oregano, thyme. You guys, everything but the kitchen sink is in this. Absolutely delicious. And it does not have any salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to these eggs. Some 21 season salute. And I'm gonna go a little bit heavy on this because I'm also gonna be adding obviously some chicken to this recipe. So these are our ingredients. We have our eggs, we have our chicken, we have some shredded cheese, and we've got our shells. So I'm gonna put this on my cutting board, and you guys meet me at the stove. Okay, to my preheated skillet, I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil and a little bit of butter. Spread this around. The butter is purely for flavor. Avocado oil is to make sure that these eggs don't stick. Add in these eggs. Add them in and make sure that the eggs coat the entire bottom of this pan. Just like that. And then we start to layer in our ingredients. Again, I've got some chicken here. You guys getting hungry? I know I am. And some shredded cheese. And the next thing that you want to do is go ahead and take your tortilla shell and lay it straight on top. And once this egg has set, then what you're going to do is you're going to flip the whole thing just so that this can brown a little bit on this side. And then at that point, this will be ready to come out of the pan, and then we can roll it into our taquito. And this is ready. and I've got one more to make. All right, and here we have it. So let's go ahead and do some rolling. Just like that. All right, you guys, I've got one more to go. And there's the second one. All right, you guys, and these are ready. All right, everyone, now that we have learned just how easy it is to put together the most delicious, flavor-packed, low-carb, high-protein meal that is perfect for grab and go and meal prep, then keep watching to learn how to transform your diet, whether it's sweet treats or main dishes, into enjoyable, lower sugar, lower carb, more nutrient-rich recipes that even the newest of cooks can master with ease. So, if you want to eat your favorite foods but want to stay healthy, click here for my guilt-free versions of the dishes you love, packed with flavor but not the unhealthy stuff. One other tip for you before I sign off, if you wanted this to be a little bit crispy, the actual shell itself, and what you can do is you can put a little bit more avocado oil in the pan, heat it, and then you can do a shallow fry on each one of these sides and to get it nice and crispy. I think that's what I'm going to do. But you guys, we are all set to go. Breakfast for champions. Please do give us a try. And remember, you guys, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you guys real soon and enjoy.